If you're medical or food, you need a cast primary material because it needs to be pure. So if you recycle it, there could be potential for there to be other materials in it. So if a foundry is using recycled material versus primary, that's going to be a big deal.
Yeah, and what controls are in place and how often do they do the testing, certifications and other things for the metals. Those are all important questions to ask as well.
Oh yeah.
We're in 74 different industries this year, and some of those industries really care about porosity and inclusions. Some are hidden, behind the scenes, and they have definite issue areas or concern areas, but overall may not have inclusion or porosity issues in certain areas. So you can design that to be casted out. But if you're using secondary metal, you can see more of that just from a basis standpoint, and it's important, right? So if you're looking at medical or food equipment, or you're looking at something that bears weight, it's definitely important to understand what type of metal and what industry expectations are.